Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a CPU to repair. This CPU problem is if I press power button, light is blinking one time and then one time beep. You see? One time blinking and one time beep. So let's see how to fix it. Okay dear viewers, in this CPU if you want to remove the back cover, just pull this lock, pull this lock and pull, so it will come out automatic. So inside is very dirty. Fan also it's very dirty, so I'll clean it. Dear viewers, I have cleaned inside, so it looks nice now. Okay, let's try. Okay, before plug it in, we remove the power cable from hard disk and from DVD also. So without hard disk, we'll plug it in. Then we plug the VGA cable also. We'll connect VGA cable also. Okay, let's turn it on. Then we have to see how many time is blinking. So we turn on the power cable. So it's stopped blinking. So we have display also. So we have display and light is not blinking. Replace any streak, any key when ready. So because there is no hard disk, that's why it's saying. Okay, so I'll turn it off, then I'll plug the power cable, then I'll turn it on again. Okay, then this is the hard disk power cable. Okay, then we'll connect DVD. We'll connect keyboard also. Keyboard, hard disk, because we need keyboard. Turn it on, power, then press power button. Bismillah. So it's not blinking. Power light is on. It will blink, it's normal. So power light is not blinking. So we have Windows sign. So it was problem, it was hang for dust. So just I have cleaned properly. So our problem has been solved. This today a customer has given me for repairing. User PC, welcome. So fan also spinning very nice. Okay dear viewers, our Windows has come. Thank you. Okay dear viewers, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.